So we're here on the quote screen, and Martin, the salesperson that can be seen down here in the sales information, would be the one to send the quote to the customer for their approval. The quote can be created by clicking on the Create Document button right here in the menu bar, which would then take you to a screen that looks like this, where you would have all your document templates that are available to you, which can be set up at the time that FieldBoss is being implemented in your organization. These are some of the examples of the templates you can create. Here we're going to choose Repair Quote Template and then hit Next. The system allows you to send it in any format you would like, whether it's a PDF, a document, a JPEG. We're just going to choose PDF for now. And then you can also choose how you'd like to send the file. You can have it as an email attachment included in the body of the email or even sent as a letter. We're also going to choose as an email attachment. Then you would hit Next, and you are going to be given the chance to preview your document. So here I'm going to preview it, and this is what it would look like. You can see all the pertinent information, which is already pre-populated based on the information the system has that you've inputted. If you scroll down, you can see the conditions of the proposal, and these again can be set beforehand and included in all the quotes that you send out. So I'm just going to exit out of that preview, and if you were to hit finish, this would then be sent directly to the customer.